Hey gang, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy. Today we're out at the oak camp today and it is a wonderful day. Just a couple of clouds, about 65 degrees. Sorry y'all that are up north and all the snow. But today we're going to set up another one of my favorite tarp shelters. And this is kind of like a modified Whelen or a Baker tent. I don't know which one it is. I think the Baker is the one with the sides and the Whelen is the one with the flared out sides. I don't know, but I'm going to call it a modified Whelen / Baker tent. And we're going to make it out of one half of US Military Pup Tent and a 5x7 tarp. So let's get going. All right, the first thing I like to do is I like to put a ground sheet down first, so I don't got to fight with the tent and go under tent poles and everything else to put a ground sheet down. Plus, a few days ago, we got a cold front that rained really hard, so the ground is just a little bit moist. So, nothing special here. All I'm doing is just spreading out a Gear Top XL ground sheet that I got with another tent. I got it with the Trekker 2.0 tent, and it was just included with the tent, and the girl sold me the whole rig for 20 bucks. So I got the Gear Top XL for free. So all we're doing is spreading it out, and we're just putting stakes in all four corners. Now we're going to go set up the half of the pup tent. Okay, nothing special here. All we're doing is we're spreading out the US Military Pup Tent over the back of the Gear Top tent sheet. Just give us a little ground cover, and all I'm doing is I'm just staking out the 3 points in the back, and after I get those staked out, I'm going to move around, and I'm going to use trekking poles in the place of the regular poles for the US Pup Tent, and I'm going to tie them off with a couple of paracord guy lines. So that makes it a lot easier than carrying around the old bulky cotton guy line ropes and stuff. But this is going to work really, really good. So when I'm done staking that out and putting the poles up, it's going to look like half of a military pup tent. So let's do that and come back when it's done. All right, so here's what we got so far. We set up half of the US Military Pup Tent over our ground sheet, and we used trekking poles, and we staked out some guy lines of paracord to either side, just attached to the loop, because using trekking poles, there's not really too much of the pole sticking through the grommets. So here's a look at the back. If we had the other half of the pup tent, we could make the whole tent, but it's still a little warm for that. We just staked out the 3 grommets down here and staked out this side. Same thing with the guy lines, and we are ready to roll. Now let's put up our Redneck Riviera. Okay, here we go. All we do is we fold the 5x7 tarp out, the 5-foot length between the poles of the pup tent, and you put 7-foot length over the back, and you're going to stake it out to some poles in the front. Really, really easy. I just got a couple of guy lines tied to each of the tarp grommets with a bowline. You don't have to use a bowline. You can just use a square knot or a couple of half hitches or whatever you want. Just tie it on there, and I got a taut line hitch on the other side for the stakes. I'm actually one stake short, so I had to carve another stake out of a piece of oak wood. But hey, you got to do what you got to do. So just throw the tarp over, put the couple of palmetto sticks, which are in abundance out here. Just put those guys up and make your roof on the front. And then when you're done, all you got to do is tie off a couple pieces of the sides, and we'll show you that next. Okay, like I said, don't be alarmed if you got to adjust it. I mean, any tent or any tarp shelter takes a bit of adjustment. So what I decided to do is I decided to actually move it up 1 grommet from the middle grommet to like 3/4 of the way down or 2/3 of the way down to give me a little more front porch area. So I took down the front porch, and all I'm doing now is I'm just tying this grommet to the end point of the US Pup Tent. The other one, there's enough trekking pole to put in the grommet, so I only need to tie it off on one end, and then I'm going to go back and readjust the front and tie the back, and then we're done. All right, now we are talking. We got the sides of the tarp anchored to the ends of the pup tent, and now we're going to put up a redneck Riviera, adjust our guy lines, and then it's time to relax. So this part should not take very long at all. So I'll be back with you when it's done. All right, here we go. We got our spot for the day. We got our modified Baker/Whelen tent with a ground sheet. I don't know what you want to call it, Baker Whelen tent, made out of a 5x7 Harbor Freight tarp and half of the US Military Pup Tent. And US Military Pup Tent is just bulletproof. You can do that you can make a lot of shelters out of that. Like I said, I came back here and I just tied off the bottom grommet to the back stakes, and it works out perfect. The Harbor Freight 5x7 is the perfect size to make this shelter and the redneck Riviera part coming out. Y'all know I like redneck Riviera, and we got a nice spot for the day. This is really nice. So I am going to lay in there for a little while and enjoy myself. And here we go, our modified Whelen/Baker tent. If you guys like this video and you want to see more content like this, just leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite setup is. And once again, coming to you from the Oak Camp, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.